Hi, I'm Dr. Rob Cushman, the Medical Officer of Health for the Renfrew County and District Health Unit. First of all, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for all the hard work you've done to contain the virus within our community. You've been paying strict observance to the health department's recommendations for safe behavior. Thank you. Now, as we enter into the holiday season, I must say that non-essential travel is out of the question. This is how the virus travels. We saw last March, in a matter of weeks, that the virus moved around the globe. And we've seen from what we know in Renfrew County that some 70 of our cases in our two biggest outbreaks were traced to having come in from other areas, from Southern Ontario and from Ottawa. So it's really important that you celebrate this Christmas with those in your own household and restrict your travel, specifically to hotspots. We've seen a lot of red activity in places we normally visit. Toronto, Ottawa, even Western Quebec has had challenges. And while Ottawa has done well of recent, that could change in a matter of hours, in a matter of days, with all the celebration and the shopping and the travel that could take place. So think twice and see what you can do to avoid traveling to the Greater Toronto Area, to Montreal, and to Ottawa. And I must say that I feel reluctant to do this, but because of this, I'm issuing a travel advisory warning for Renfrew County residents between now and the beginning of January. And this is how we can prevent the spread of the virus and keep our community safe. And I know that if we do this, we can keep the number of new cases that we might see over the forthcoming weeks to a bare minimum. So I thank you for this, and I know it's a difficult time, but please do your best. And now I'm going to turn you over to our staff at the Renfrew County and District Health Unit that have some other advice for you as to how to celebrate this year. Thank you.
Celebrate the holidays at home this year with members of your own family. If you live alone, consider having close contact with only one other household.
Avoid hosting or attending gatherings in person, like work or family events, and avoid potlucks or group meals where face coverings are removed and there are shared items like utensils that are not cleaned and sanitized between uses.
Portez un masque ou un couvre-visage chaque fois que vous êtes dans un endroit public intérieur ou lorsque la distanciation physique ne peut être maintenue.
Clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces such as door handles, countertops, and washroom facilities. When possible, open windows and increase central air settings to improve ventilation whenever possible.
Plan for safer shopping. Visit local stores at quieter times, shop online, or arrange for curbside pickup options. Avoid shopping in groups as this increases risk of exposure.
Maintenez une distance physique de 2 mètres avec toute personne qui ne fait pas partie de votre ménage. Si vous vous rassemblez en personne, assurez-vous que la distanciation physique est possible pour tous les invités et assoyez les membres d'un même ménage ensemble. Si vous rentrez chez vous pour les vacances, par exemple les étudiants des collèges ou des universités, isolez-vous ou limitez considérablement vos contacts étroits 14 jours avant votre arrivée afin de réduire votre risque de contracter et de transmettre la COVID-19.
Be sure to encourage proper hand hygiene by making soap and water and hand sanitizer available.
Host virtual gatherings and events. They're the safest way to celebrate with people outside of your household. If you do plan in-person activities, please ensure they are within the provincial private gathering limits Renfrew County and District falls under at the time of your gathering. For example, if we are in green, yellow, or orange, the limit is 10 people indoors and 25 outdoors. Remember, if you have any symptoms, even if they are mild, please stay at home.
I understand this is a difficult time for all of us. I have some children who aren't even in this country, as well as a grandson. So it's a difficult time in front of us. But there is light at the end of the tunnel with these new vaccines. And this Christmas period, this Christmas and holiday season will be very telling in terms of our ability to control any further damage from wave number 2. So we must continue to work, to do this hard work by ourselves and with our families and our friends, and to keep our communities safe. So there are other ways to celebrate, ways that'll reduce our risks, and for sure they're not like last Christmas, and they won't be like next Christmas, hopefully, but we have to do this. So I wish you a Merry Christmas, stay safe, cherish your loved ones, and think to the future. Thank you very much.